Hey there, today, we're diving into Wix SEO setup. Go to Site and Mobile app. Select on SEO. This SEO, it involves building high-quality backlinks, having a strong social media presence, and maintaining a positive online reputation. We can also check how much percentage it's completed. Click on Get Started. Here we have the SEO checklist. We have to complete the tasks. Here it's shown step by step. First we fill the homepage title and description. Like that, complete the all tasks. In the same way I done everything. You can see here, step by step, we enter the product details and all other links. Also domain. We can see the preview. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram can drive significant traffic to your website. While social media signals likes, shares, comments themselves are not direct ranking factors in Google's algorithm, the traffic generated through these platforms can increase the visibility and popularity of your content, indirectly boosting your SEO. Integrating social media into your SEO efforts can yield considerable advantages, creating a synergistic effect that enhances your online presence and search engine performance. We can search in Google, and here it's showing the result in Google. A web design approach that ensures your website looks great and functions smoothly across all devices, from desktops to smartphones and tablets. It's all about providing the best user experience, no matter what device your audience is using. The increased activity and interaction around your content can signal search engines to crawl and index it more rapidly, ensuring that your content appears in search results sooner. Next, step number 2. In this, optimize the site page for SEO. And add shop page, title, and other links to the homepage. In today's digital landscape, creating compelling content is just the starting point. The true power of content lies in the activity and interaction it generates. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Regular updates signal that you are active and committed to providing ongoing value. That's all. We need to fill the 3 steps tasks. At the same time, it's updated on Google SEO. We can check inside by site. Thank you.
Please subscribe and share.